Good day everyone. I just wanted to show you what I made here. I didn't do a video while I was making it as a project because I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. Basically for a Halloween costume, and then just thinking future as well as a cool factor, something funny. I wanted to make your typical drink canister helmet, and all I could find was baseball ones, and just very cheaply made is all you could find online. So I wanted to make one out of a hockey helmet. So here's my old helmet that I used for almost a couple decades coaching. And I used water bottles that I bought. I'll go through and just quickly, it worked out really well. I tested it, it works good. I'll tell you a couple of things and show you. It's pretty simple once you see what I did, so you don't need a how-to per se, just to see what it is. But I'll explain a couple of things. So first off, for the tubing, I used 3/8 OD, and that seemed to work out really good for size. And then you just had to open up the top of the bottles. I tie wrapped it. I just bought a simple kit, and it was pretty cheap to just buy all the fittings and the tubing together. Put a T here. Everything couldn't be taken off now, so nothing destructed the helmet at all. I used tie wraps to mount it, and I put a valve so you can turn it on and off to keep it from coming out. So when I found when using it, it keeps going out, so I put a valve in there and just tie wrap that, doubled it up to hold it so it doesn't turn on you this way as you're using it. Put some stickers on for my team, obviously. So right when you're using it though, make sure you sort of blow backwards some air, enough to get air past here, then turn it off. And then you might get one drip, but it doesn't run or pour out of here. It takes a little practice, but it works. Initially, I was going to tie wrap the bottles on. But then I thought, how do you clean the bottles? Because you have to put on new tie wraps every time. So then I decided to go with a hose clamp, and that worked out really well. One thing, when you're buying bottles though, so that's pretty much the whole setup really. It's pretty simple, but it works well. Make sure you find bottles that if you look at it, it bends in. There's a groove there. If it's perfectly flush all the way along, you don't have something for your clamp to bite into to hold the bottle from going up and down, because there's obviously going to be a little bit of weight there once I get the rum and coke in there. But yeah, this worked well. I loaded it up with water, both full, just to see, and being that it's a real hockey helmet, it sits good on your head. It's comfortable still, actually. So compared to any of that cheap crap you would buy to put on, and it'd be all wonky and shit. So this worked really well. Excited how it came out to wear as part of a Halloween costume of greatest fan, but I'm sure I'll use it at parties and gatherings after. So there you go. Just thought I'd point that out. I think that's pretty much it, really. Pretty simple. These can pull out real easy. Oh, one little thing I did that I thought of that I didn't try without it, but I know it's important. One hand here, I'll pull this tube out. On the bottom, cut it at an angle. So that way when it's sitting at the bottom, it's not actually like flush, it's at an angle so liquid can come in even though it's pushing hard against the bottom. And it worked great. So I didn't actually try it with it flush. I thought of that before trying it, but I know that'll help. And now with this, the way it's sitting, I can still take these off and fill it up. Put your tube back in, you're off and running. So yeah, worked out really well. Make your own, and let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you found this kind of cool like I did, throw me a like and subscribe, and hey, we'll see you on